I won a giveaway from Camis Closet. I'll leave her YouTube channel down below. So let's open it up and see what I won. So I'm excited to see what it looks like. And she packaged everything so nicely. Let's take out the card first. This is so cute. I love the hearts. I like when people write things. It just makes it extra special. It says, "Dear Alicia, thank you for supporting my channel and good luck with your channel. Enjoy the goodies, Cami." This is super sweet. I was not expecting to get extra goodies. And I've had a lip balm from this brand before, but never these flavors. So I'm excited to try these out. I'll probably share with my daughter. But thank you for this. She packaged it so nicely. I like this little gift bag. I love hearts. Let me open it up. I really like this. She included a sticker on it. Oh, let's see what it looks like. Sorry, with one hand. So here it is. This is a card holder, and I do not own this color in any card holder that I have, which is nice. It's nice to try a different color. It holds about 4 cards and then your driver's license or identification. This is really nice. Here is everything I received. Thank you so much, Cami. I love all the extra goodies. I will leave her channel down below. Go check her out. And thank you so much for everyone who watched the video. See you in the next video.